The Roxzo Folding Queen Size 6-inch Tri-Fold Memory Foam Mattress Topper isn't trying to be glamorous. It's practical genius wrapped in bamboo and polyester. It's for people who want life to feel simpler, softer, and maybe a little smarter. At first glance, it looks like any other foldable mattress. But then it starts showing its quiet intelligence, layer by layer. The top 0.5-inch of luxurious memory foam greets the body like a polite handshake, not soft, yet confident. Beneath that, a 2-inch gel memory foam layer adjusts itself to curves and contours, releasing the tension that daily life tends to pile on. And anchoring it all is a 3.5-inch slab of high-density support foam, the backbone that keeps it from feeling like a flimsy floor pad. The mix works beautifully. Plush on top, solid at the base, a balance that some full-size beds still get wrong. It's built from a blend of bamboo, 35%, and polyester, 65%, which gives it that cool, breathable texture, the kind of fabric that doesn't make you feel trapped under heat. This isn't just a mattress you pull out when your cousin visits for the weekend. It's one that people end up sleeping on for months, willingly. In one case, it even handled a 6 Prince & 7 280-pound sleeper without losing shape or support. That's not a small feat for something that folds into thirds. The portability is where Roxzo really wins. It folds up in seconds, no wrestling required. When tucked away, it can masquerade as a cushion, a makeshift couch, or even an ottoman. One creative owner turned their spare room into a memory foam paradise by lining up 2 of them. Stack them, and you've got a nearly full-height bed. Spread them out, and the living room becomes a lounge. It's the kind of object that adapts to whatever version of home you need this week. Guest room, office, yoga space, or a temporary bedroom while remodeling. Unboxing is simple. Open, let it breathe for a couple of days, and it blooms to its full 6-inch promise. There's no chemical smell, no mystery residue, just that clean, new foam scent that fades within hours. The cover is washable, a small but crucial detail, especially if you plan to take it outdoors for picnics or camping trips. It's soft enough for a nap, but sturdy enough to handle a dog curling up beside you or a friend sitting down for coffee. The feel? Firm but forgiving. It's not as refined as a $3,500 memory foam bed, but surprisingly close, and without the guilt of breaking the bank. The gel layer keeps heat at bay, so even long nights on the floor don't turn into sweaty battles. What's striking is how consistently comfortable it stays, night after night, whether you're 120 or 280 pounds. It doesn't sag, doesn't crumble, doesn't leave that weird dip in the middle that cheaper tri-fold mattresses often develop. And then there's the charm of simplicity. It doesn't need a frame, doesn't demand attention, it just quietly works. For those living small, moving often, or needing a reliable guest setup, it's the kind of purchase that makes you wonder how you managed without it. Roxzo's team even seems to care after the sale, a rarity. They recommend letting the foam breathe for 48 to 72 hours before first use. And their support team, real humans apparently, will actually respond if you need help. At the end of the day, this mattress is more than a backup plan. It's a reminder that comfort doesn't have to be permanent or expensive to be real. The Roxzo Tri-Fold mattress is what minimalism should feel like. Thoughtful, flexible, and quietly satisfying. It's the kind of everyday luxury that earns a place in your home, not by shouting, but by showing up, unfolding, and simply working.